If you're buying a GMC and don't do your homework, you could be signing up for thousands of dollars in engine repairs without even realizing it. Some engines bleed owners dry with recalls, constant failures, and maintenance nightmares. Smart buyers know which ones to avoid. Uninformed buyers? They hand over the money and regret it for years. Today, SUVSQUAD is counting down 5 GMC engines that could ruin your wallet. Engines that look good on paper, but are financial disasters waiting to happen. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which engines to avoid, which ones are solid, and how to protect your investment. Engine number 1, Vortec 3.5-liter 5-cylinder, 2004 to 2006. The Vortec 3500 is an engine most people have forgotten for good reason. GM's inline 5-cylinder engine was supposed to split the difference between a 4-cylinder and a 6-cylinder, offering more power than the former and better fuel economy than the latter. You can find this engine in the 2004 to 2006 GMC Canyon and Envoy. On paper, it was a smart choice, but the reality was much harsher. The first major problem was the fuel injectors. This engine used a unique injector design that failed suddenly, not gradually. Owners experienced rough idles, severe misfires, and persistent check engine lights. Failures could start as early as 40,000 miles, and replacing all 5 injectors cost between $800 and $1,200 in parts and labor. For some unlucky owners, this happened multiple times, making injector repairs more expensive than the truck itself. The crankshaft position sensor bolt was another disaster, where GM inexplicably used a bolt too short to secure the sensor, which would slowly loosen due to engine vibrations. This could lead to misfires, stalling, or even prevent the engine from starting. In severe cases, the bolt would fall into the timing cover, causing catastrophic engine damage. Timing chain issues made matters worse. The Vortec 3500's chain often stretched prematurely, sometimes as early as 80,000 miles. Misaligned valve timing caused power loss, rough running, and eventual valve damage. A timing chain replacement cost $1,500 to $2,500, an expensive repair for a truck worth perhaps $4,000. GM quietly killed this engine after 3 years, leaving only memories of its widespread failures. If you're shopping for a mid-2000s Canyon or Envoy, stick with the 2.8-liter 4-cylinder, which is reliable, or the 4.2-liter inline 6, capable of 200,000 miles without major issues. Avoid the 3.5-liter 5-cylinder unless you enjoy paying for someone else's mistakes. Engine number 2, 2.7-liter Turboax L 3B, 2019 to 2021. Fast forward 15 years and GM tried to compete with Ford's EcoBoost engines with a 2.7-liter Turboax. This small displacement turbocharged 4-cylinder promised V6-level performance with 4-cylinder fuel economy. Output was impressive, 310 horsepower and 348 pound-feet of torque, and owners reported mid-20s miles per gallon in mixed driving. The biggest problem was the high-pressure fuel pump. In this direct injection engine, the pump pressurizes fuel to over 2,000 pounds per square inch. Failure often happened without warning at 30,000 to 40,000 miles, leaving owners stranded. Replacing the pump cost between $1,500 and $2,200, which is devastating for a relatively new truck. A carbon buildup on the intake valves is another issue. Unlike traditional port injection engines, direct injection bypasses the intake valves, so carbon deposits accumulate over time. By 60,000 to 80,000 miles, this can cause rough idles, hesitation, misfires, and reduced fuel economy. Cleaning these deposits costs $500 to $800 and must be repeated every 50,000 to 70,000 miles. The turbocharger itself had early production issues. Owners reported boost leaks, wastegate actuator failures, premature bearing wear, and eventual turbo failure. Replacing a turbo cost $2,000 to $3,000. Combined with fuel pump repairs and carbon cleaning, early Turboax engines could cost over $5,000 in maintenance before 100,000 miles. Starting in 2022, GM improved reliability, fixing fuel pumps and turbo issues, but for 2019 to 2021 models, avoid them unless you're ready to gamble. If this is saving you from expensive mistakes, subscribe to SUVSQUAD. Every week we show you which GMC engines to buy, which to avoid, and how to push your truck past 300,000 miles without breaking the bank. Engine number 3, 3.0-liter Duramax diesel LM2. The 3.0-liter Duramax brought diesel power back to half-ton trucks. It's smooth, quiet, and capable of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, which is impressive for a full-size truck. But the engine has been plagued with reliability issues, particularly in the emission system. Modern diesels require complex emission controls, including diesel particulate filters, DEF injection, and multiple sensors. When these systems fail, trucks enter reduced power mode, limiting highway driving. Repairs are expensive. DEF tank replacement costs $1,200 to $1,800, injectors $400 to $600, and SCR catalysts can exceed $2,000. Some owners have spent $4,000 to $6,000 multiple times fixing emission components. High-pressure fuel pumps in the 3.0-liter also fail more often than their heavy-duty counterparts. A failed pump can contaminate the entire fuel system with metal shavings, destroying injectors, rails, and lines. Total replacement can cost $8,000 to $12,000. Cold start issues and timing chain wear add to the headaches. If you want a diesel GMC truck, the 6.6-liter Duramax in heavy-duty trucks remains the most reliable choice, proven over 2 decades with millions of miles logged. The 3.0-liter is still working out its issues, leaving owners paying for GM's early testing. My engine number 4, 5.3-liter V8 with AFM, 2014 to 2021. When properly maintained, it's smooth, powerful, and capable of 300,000 miles or more. However, the 2014 redesign introduced active fuel management, AFM, a cylinder deactivation system that shuts down 4 of 8 cylinders under light loads to save fuel. AFM relies on complex hydraulic lifters that cycle constantly during normal driving. Over time, these lifters fail, sometimes collapsing and grinding against the camshaft. The first sign is a ticking sound, known as the Chevy tick or GMC tick. Ignored, this collapses the camshaft and circulates metal shavings through the engine, leading to repairs that range from $3,500 to $8,000, and in extreme cases, over $10,000. Trucks where AFM has been deleted or replaced with non-AFM components are the safest bets. Otherwise, you're playing Russian roulette with your wallet. Engine number 5, 6.2-liter V8 L87, 2019 to 2024. This is the engine that's currently fooling the most buyers. GM's flagship V8, found in Sierra 1.5, delivers 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. It sounds refined, looks modern, but is a catastrophic risk waiting to happen. In April 2025, GM issued a massive recall affecting over 720,000 vehicles due to connecting rod bearing failures. These bearings fail, rod seize, and the engine can explode internally. Repairs cost between $8,000 and $15,000. The 6.2-liter also features AFM, meaning it's susceptible to lifters destroying the camshaft just like the 5.3-liter. Essentially, you have 2 potential catastrophic failures in one engine. Used market values have already dropped significantly, and dealers are offering thousands less for affected trucks. If you currently own one of these engines, check your VIN immediately on GM's recall website. If shopping, wait until GM fully resolves the issues and real-world data confirms reliability. Otherwise, it's a gamble not worth taking on a $50,000 to $80,000 truck. These are the 5 GMC engines that only uninformed buyers purchase. Not because they're bad on paper, but because real-world failure rates and repair costs make them financial disasters. Do your research before buying. Check recall databases, read owner forms, and get a pre-purchase inspection from someone who knows these specific engines. If a deal seems too good to be true, there's probably a reason. For more tips on keeping your GMC reliable and avoiding major expenses, check out our videos on GMCs that will be worthless in 2026 and 15, proven habits to reach 500,000 miles. Thanks for watching SUV Squad. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a guide that could save you thousands of dollars. Remember, smart buyers research, Uninformed buyers pay. Stay ahead, keep your truck running, and I'll see you in the next video.